This outdoor TV isn't just smart, it's cinematic. Dolby Atmos delivers breathtaking, three-dimensional audio that surrounds you from every direction, creating an immersive sound experience right in your garden or patio. Complementing this is a 4K UHD LCD screen with a 178 degrees per 178 degrees viewing angle, ensuring brilliant clarity, rich colors, and stunning detail from virtually any angle. Even in bright daylight, your content shines thanks to its 2000 nit brightness, 4 to 6 times brighter than conventional TVs, making it ideal for direct sunlight viewing. The 2.0 generation upgrade brings with it the powerful Google TV system, an evolution from the previous Android platform. This new interface delivers a smooth, user-friendly experience and access to over 700,000 movies and TV episodes, across more than 10,000 apps, including 800+ free live TV channels. Whether you're watching Netflix, Max, Sky Showtime, Disney+, or Amazon Prime, each streaming app works flawlessly, offering high-speed, uninterrupted entertainment right out of the box. With personalized profiles, intelligent recommendations, and an integrated watch list that syncs across your devices, you'll always have something exciting to watch, no matter your taste.
Designed for full sun areas, this 55-inch display boasts an ultra-bright 2000 nit panel, delivering stunning 4K UHD visuals even under direct sunlight. Whether you're enjoying a midday barbecue or hosting a sports night by the pool, every frame stays crisp, colorful, and visible. No more squinting or sun glare ruining the view. Rain or shine, the Sylvox Pool Pro Series 2.0 is built to endure the elements. With an IP55 rated aluminum alloy housing, it resists water, dust, humidity, salt air, and even insects, making it ideal for coastal areas, rooftop patios, or anywhere Mother Nature shows her mood swings.